I am the earth, and you are my child. I shall protect you, nurture you, and provide. In my embrace, find solace and peace, for in me lies a bountiful feast. See my rivers flowing, winding and free, a lifeline for creatures, a source of glee. From mountains high to valleys low, I offer abundance, a grand tableau. My forests green, a sanctuary for life, teeming with creatures, ending all strife. They dance in harmony, a sacred tune, respecting each other under the moon. O children of mine, heed my call, preserve my beauty, stand tall. For in the web of life we are entwined. Your fate is linked to mine. I hold the secrets of ancient lore, wisdom that resonates to your core. In my soil, the stories of your kin, whispered by the wind, echoed within. Remember, dear child, you're part of this whole, connected to nature, body and soul. As Earth's child, cherish your place on earth.